The Great Vehicle Alliance. It is more blessed to give than to receive.
交通工具大联盟，施比受更有福。
In a busy city, all kinds of vehicles lived together: cars, buses, trains, and boats.
在一座繁忙的城市里，各种交通工具一起生活：汽车、巴士、火车和船。
In a busy city, all kinds of vehicles lived together: cars, buses, trains, and boats. The little yellow taxi was always full of energy, zooming through the streets.
小黄计程车总是充满活力，在街道间穿梭。
The little yellow taxi was always full of energy, zooming through the streets. The red fire truck stood proudly, ready for emergencies.
红色消防车骄傲地站着，随时准备出动。
The red fire truck stood proudly, ready for emergencies. On the river, a ferry boat carried people across the water every day.
河上有一艘渡轮，每天载着人们穿越河面。
On the river, a ferry boat carried people across the water every day. In the sky, an airplane flew high, connecting faraway places.
天空中，飞机高高飞过，把遥远的地方连接在一起。
In the sky, an airplane flew high, connecting faraway places. One day, the vehicles heard crying coming from a small scooter.
有一天，大家听到一辆小踏板车在哭。
One day, the vehicles heard crying coming from a small scooter. My tire is flat. I can't move, the scooter sniffled.
我的轮胎破了，我走不动了。踏板车抽泣地说。
My tire is flat. I can't move, the scooter sniffled. The ambulance rolled forward. Hop on, I'll take you to the repair shop.
救护车开上前，上来吧，我带你去修车厂。
The ambulance rolled forward. Hop on, I'll take you to the repair shop. But the scooter shook its head. I don't want to trouble anyone.
但踏板车摇摇头，我不想麻烦别人。
But the scooter shook its head. I don't want to trouble anyone. The old train chuckled. Helping isn't trouble. Helping is what makes us strong.
老火车笑着说，帮忙不是麻烦，帮忙让我们更强大。
The old train chuckled. Helping isn't trouble. Helping is what makes us strong. The big garbage truck added, when we help, the whole city becomes cleaner and happier.
大型垃圾车说，当我们帮忙时，整座城市都会变得更干净、更快乐。
The big garbage truck added, when we help, the whole city becomes cleaner and happier. Hearing this, the taxi zoomed off. Wait, I'll bring a mechanic.
听到这些，小黄计程车立刻冲出去。等一下，我去叫技师来。
Hearing this, the taxi zoomed off. Wait, I'll bring a mechanic. Meanwhile, the ferry boat offered, if you ever need to cross the river, I'll carry you for free.
同时，渡轮说，如果你哪天需要过河，我免费载你。
Meanwhile, the ferry boat offered, if you ever need to cross the river, I'll carry you for free. The bicycle rang its tiny bell. I'll keep you company until help arrives.
脚踏车叮叮地响着，我会陪着你直到救援到来。
The bicycle rang its tiny bell. I'll keep you company until help arrives. The airplane even swooped low, shouting, You're not alone down there.
飞机甚至低飞大喊，你不是一个人。
The airplane even swooped low, shouting, You're not alone down there. Finally, the taxi returned with a mechanic on a motorcycle.
最后，计程车带着一位骑着摩托车的技师回来了。
Finally, the taxi returned with a mechanic on a motorcycle. The mechanic patched the scooter's tire quickly and carefully.
技师又快又细心地修好踏板车的轮胎。
The mechanic patched the scooter's tire quickly and carefully. The scooter blinked in surprise. Why are you all so kind to me?
踏板车惊讶地眨眼，你们为什么对我这么好？
The scooter blinked in surprise. Why are you all so kind to me? The fire truck replied, Because helping others makes us feel useful.
消防车回答，因为帮助别人让我们觉得自己很有用。
The fire truck replied, Because helping others makes us feel useful. The train added, And when we give, we also grow stronger inside.
火车补充，而当我们付出时，我们的内心也会变得更强大。
The train added, And when we give, we also grow stronger inside. The ferry said softly, Kindness always sails farther than anger.
渡轮轻声说， 善意总比愤怒走得更远。
The fairy said softly, kindness always sails farther than anger. The airplane agreed, helping is a gift, to others and to ourselves.
飞机点头，帮助别人，其实也是送给自己的礼物。
The airplane agreed, helping is a gift, to others and to ourselves. The scooter's engine hummed happily. Then I'll help others too, when I can.
踏板车开心地发动，那我以后也要在能力范围内帮助别人。
The scooter's engine hummed happily. Then I'll help others too, when I can. All the vehicles cheered, their horns and engines creating a joyful melody.
所有交通工具一起欢呼，喇叭声和引擎声组成了一首快乐的旋律。
All the vehicles cheered, their horns and engines creating a joyful melody. And from that day on, every vehicle in the city learned the truth. It is more blessed to give than to receive.
从那天起，城市里所有交通工具都明白了一个道理：施比受更有福。
And from that day on, every vehicle in the city learned the truth. It is more blessed to give than to receive.